What's up guys, welcome back to the Bulletproof Designs Garage. Today we're going to be putting on a swing arm guard on this new KTM 125. Protect your bike at one of its weakest points with our new lightweight one-piece design that allows for simple install and protection against breakage of your chain guide tabs on the swing arm. The chain guide tabs are part of the cast swing arm design, the thinnest, lowest part of the bike taking massive amounts of stress and impact. If the chain guide tabs are damaged, the swing arm will need to be replaced or repaired, which is costly. Prevent costly damage by installing our bulletproof design swing arm guard. This bike is now protected for the long run and ready for anything we throw at it. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date. See you guys out on the track.